It's time for Kids Corner. First we are going to make paper plate animal masks. For this project the materials you will need are, paper plates, markers, glue scissors, and string. First cut eye holes in a paper plate. Ask your parent for help if you need to. Then draw and color animal features like the ears, noses, stripes, and whatever you want to make your animal. Then attach string to wear as a mask. Our next project is shaving cream marbled art. This is a fun project but can be messy, so make sure you cover your table with newspaper or an old tablecloth. Then gather your materials. You will need shaving cream, food coloring, and paper. Spread the shaving cream on a tray and add drops of food coloring. Swirl the colors with a stick and then take your piece of paper and lay it on top of the colored shaving cream. Press the paper onto the surface. Then lift the paper to reveal a marble design. Every picture will be a different work of art. The third project you can do is make a paper plate tambourine. You will need paper plates, paint, string, small jingle bells, and glue. The instructions are to paint the paper plates in bright colors and let them dry. Place them face to face and attach jingle bells around the edges using string. Secure with glue and let it set. Shake to make music and enjoy. Our next fun craft is lava lamp art. This one is fun to do with a friend. The materials you will need are, oil, water, food coloring, and glitter. Get a clear jar. Recycle an old pickle or other jar. And fill the jar up with 2/3 oil. Fill the rest with the water that you have mixed the food coloring in. Add the glitter. Drop in a fizzy tablet, Alka-Seltzer or any other effervescent tablet. And watch the colors dance. These tablets work because they contain ingredients like citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, which react with water to produce carbon dioxide gas. The gas forms bubbles that rise through the oil, creating the lava lamp effect. Add a couple of colors for a more colorful look. If you don't have an effervescent tablet, you can make a DIY version by combining 1 teaspoon baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, a few drops of lemon juice or vinegar. Simply drop the baking soda into the water and then add a few drops of lemon juice or vinegar. The reaction will mimic the bubbling effect of a fizzy tablet. The next project you may have done before. It's a popsicle stick house. All you need to make this are, popsicle sticks, paint, glue, and construction paper. To assemble, paint the popsicle sticks in desired colors and let them dry. Assemble them into a simple house structure by gluing them together. Use construction paper to add details like windows or a door. Allow the glue to set before playing with or displaying the house. Can you make one that looks like your house? This one is fun for an outside activity as it can be very messy. It's called glow art paint and it makes the most beautiful pictures. You will need paint, straws, and paper. First drop small amounts of paint on the paper. Then use a straw to blow the paint across the surface. Create abstract designs with vibrant trails. I loved how mine turned out. Let it dry flat and then hang your masterpiece up. And our last project also involves paint. It's bubble wrap stamping. Your materials that you are going to use are, bubble wrap, paint, and paper. Paint one side of the bubble wrap. Press it onto paper to create textured patterns. Experiment with different colors and designs. Well, there are 7 new art projects that you can do. I hope you have as much fun making them as I did. Happy crafting!